Global commerce relies on vast, interconnected networks, but that same density masks deep vulnerabilities hidden far beyond the reach of primary vendors. Data shows that 40% of all supply chain disruptions originate beyond Tier 1 suppliers. Only 2% of companies maintain visibility into these extended networks. Everything beyond their direct suppliers sits behind a visibility horizon. In the physical reality of macro logistics, tracking the movement of every secondary component, raw material, and subassembly across a global port system exceeds human capacity. This vulnerability stems from a structural limit to human-led visibility, rather than a lack of effort from procurement teams. The standard operating model for assessing supplier risk is linear. It relies almost entirely on primary data collection, driven by supplier questionnaires. This method builds subjective bias into the risk profile. It also creates an inherent delay. By the time self-reported data is compiled and reviewed, the operational reality on the ground has often shifted. If a Tier 2 or Tier 3 supplier simply fails to respond to an audit, the system breaks. That non-responsive entity becomes an active, hidden risk factor. Manual audits operate on sluggish annual cycles. Sudden, localized labor disruptions or geopolitical conflicts outpace these surveys instantly. Attempting to scale a manual, questionnaire-based approach across thousands of indirect, sub-tier suppliers is a mathematical impossibility. The technological alternative requires bypassing primary data collection. We have to algorithmically scrape unstructured secondary data. This requires natural language processing, or NLP. It is the computational engine necessary to parse human language and extract signal from the noise of the open internet. An NLP model evaluates millions of corporate websites, ESG reports, and global news feeds simultaneously, structuring raw text into usable data points. During extraction, the model pulls specific entity names, geographic locations, and risk-related keywords directly from unstructured paragraphs. We can see the practical application of this extraction in the UK public sector contracting environment, specifically during investigations into COVID-era fraud. By utilizing a company analysis tool, investigators match the registration dates of newly formed companies against high-value contract awards to automatically flag statistical probabilities of fraud. The value of this AI approach rests in the ability to extract critical answers from entities that were never asked a single question. Processing this density of data requires an architectural shift for enterprise systems, moving away from flat relational vendor tables and towards graph-based risk mapping. Graph databases map complex relationships. Extracted data populates it. Companies become nodes. Contracts form edges. External shipment data verifies physical flows. If a deep Tier 3 node is flagged, the risk propagates up the graph, exposing the vulnerability directly to the Tier 1 buyer. Graph mapping models the physical reality of the supply ecosystem in real time. Once the network is mapped, the system shifts from static visualization to dynamic risk scoring. The AI continuously aggregates real-time signals, financial health indicators, regional sentiment, and local weather events to update the risk score of every individual node. This allows the enterprise to create a digital twin, a virtual replica of the supply chain used for executing predictive scenario analysis. The 2021 semiconductor shortage is a clear case study for Tier 3 concentration risk, where multiple automakers shared a hidden dependency on a single chip foundry. With a digital twin, procurement teams simulate a disruption, digitally knocking out a specific Taiwan capacitor supplier, and watch the algorithm recalculate the failure cascade. The algorithm instantly recommends alternate suppliers, weighing lead time variables against cost buffers required to activate them. Digital twins let enterprises suffer catastrophic supply chain shocks digitally long before they encounter them physically. The strategic value of predictive procurement rests on its ability to create a structural business moat. We can analyze this through the resource-based view theory, which argues that organizations achieve competitive advantage through the strategic deployment of internal capabilities. This diagram outlines the VRIN framework. It dictates that for a resource to provide sustained advantage, it must be valuable, rare, inimitable, and non-substitutable. A comprehensive survey of 412 U.S. procurement professionals provides the quantitative proof for this value. The data shows that 72% of respondents reported increased forecasting accuracy and a reduction in cycle times when utilizing predictive analytics. The risk model satisfies the inimitable criteria because it trains on a unique blend of global public data combined with the enterprise's proprietary historical data. While an off-the-shelf software purchase is easily replicable, a mature, customized AI risk model constitutes a structural competitive advantage. These systems are frequently mischaracterized as a replacement for human procurement auditors. Instead, the AI functions as an intelligence layer. It directs human intervention with surgical precision, telling auditors exactly where in the network they need to look. Impending EU compliance laws, such as the CSDDD, establish a binding legal requirement for mapping downstream liabilities. The organizations that leverage AI to map the invisible network today will control the resilient supply chains of tomorrow.